Okay, we're here in Mixmax. You log in, go to sequences, choose a folder or make a folder. I can add one here. The next one's going to be maybe Smart Influencer. Artist collab 2 with Asher. It's a continuation of the first one. So you can add new people to that group, or you could create a new sequence in this group. Create a new sequence, call it Smartfluence Singer Collab 2 with Asher. Smartfluence. Put it in this group. Create. And I don't think we're going to add. We could add. Oh, we can upload a CSV. This is where you upload the CSV list, and I'll have it in like the Smartfluence folder or something like that. You can, and like here's the list that I had. So we'll talk about that list. Next, edit stage. So you're not going to send an automatic email. You can use, actually forget about this, just save and close. And you want to make sure, let's just delete this so you don't get confused. Although that's how you create a new group. If you want to really distinguish the campaigns, you can create a new group. But sticking to this group, I want to show you what I did with Smartfluence Singer Collab with, Singer Collab with Asher, which already has data. Exited 99, total 99, 75% of people viewed the email, which is pretty decent, and nobody unsubscribed. I guess there wasn't an option to. 6.4% replied, and that's good. And it's coming from Sam DeVoren, who's basically anybody using this email. You click on this word, not the add recipients. Add recipients will add more to this list. We don't want to confuse this at the moment. I mean, you might add more. No, because it's a new campaign. I'll show you first of all what this campaign is. Stage 1, 2, and 3 are the sequence emails. They're automated. So if you go to stages, click on stage 1, you'll see email 1, stage 2, email 2, stage 3, email 3. You can just scroll up and down. I'll just give you an overview of email 1. Hi. This is very important that you don't screw this up, because this is a variable, name/fallback. If there's no name, it'll be blank. If there is a name, which they all should have names, then it'll say, hey Joe, or hey Brittany, whoever it is, we want to offer you a song for your channel's collaboration. Hi Brittany, or hi Joe, or hi Jim, whatever it is. Asher Lob produced 2 instrumental songs that each have vocal versions. He's looking to either sell or collaborate with a singer or soloist on. We thought you might be interested in performing on one of them. If you require payment, please provide a quote for this collaboration. Option 1 is Dreaming Awake. His instrumental version is already in a major commercial, blah, 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 blah. Here's the link to SoundCloud. Option 2 is Gratitude. It's an instrumental version. Here's the link to Spotify. Whichever song you choose, Asher's willing to give you at no charge, and you can collect full royalties on it, publish it to your channel, submit to awards, etc. But would request that it's published at a collaborative effort, meaning the title would be Gratitude featuring Asher Lob. We're looking to have this vocal version out for both songs in 14 days. Maybe they need a little longer. You can start with 14 days. Since the lyrics are already written, Asher recorded the vocals himself. We're also flexible on you editing the lyrics, blah, blah, blah. So this email worked to the extent that it got a couple of responses. It did not lead to an actual collaboration that was cost effective. It led to a couple people, some really big people, saying, okay, here's the collab. It's going to cost you $2,000, which is still worth a discussion because some of these artists are huge. Here's email 2 that automatically, if there's no reply, within 3 weekdays, send an automatic email between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure this is set up correctly, otherwise it's going to spam them and they're going to block you, and then this whole Sam Dvorin at fdproductions.club is going to be marked by Google as as like a spammy email. Do not, and I repeat, do not screw this up. You got to make sure that you have these set up correctly, and you should run each campaign by me before you send them out. In fact, don't send them out before my confirmation, before I confirm. Read this also. This is sequence email 2 follow-up. I'm following up again on my previous offer for a collaboration with violinist, music producer, and performer Asher Laub. For reference, here's the link to Brighter Day Ahead. Are you interested in working with him or still thinking about it? As a reminder, Asher Laub produced 2 instrumental songs that each have vocal versions. He's looking to either sell or collaborate, and this is just a reminder from the previous email, but it's a little different, so it's not just spam. We're also flexible on you editing the lyrics. Okay. Now, if they do not reply after the second email, this is the third email, stage 2. If they don't respond to stage 2 or to stage 1, they're up to stage 3 here. And after 3 weekdays, don't send it as a reply. So just a separate email, first name / fallback. I'm checking in again to see if you were interested in our collab. I got some people to respond. That's the important thing, even if they weren't interested. Checking one last time. Are you interested in this collab? And that way they'll at least check out the links, and it's a similar email structure. So, you know, and then you want to just save changes. But here we can go back. Oh, you could add recipients, but we don't want to screw this up. So maybe just be extra safe and create a new campaign for now. And then once we're, oh, sorry, you just click done. Once we're, you know, you'll just create this campaign, and then you'll add, like, you'll go to stages, and you'll, create a new tab, and you'll copy paste those stages with the correct, with like an updated sequence. So instead of Dreaming Awake, you'll put maybe just Gratitude, or something like that. This is how you're going to make your job really easy, copying and pasting campaigns. This campaign, you can see at a glance. You just click that arrow down there, and you can see there are 3 emails sent under this folder, Smartfluence Singer Collab with Asher folder. There's 1, 2, 3 emails, 73% viewed in the third email, 71% in the second, 80% in the first email viewed. These were responses, or replied. 6% replied. 4% from the first email, 8% replied to the second email, 6.9% replied to the third email. So what you're going to do is you're going to, if this is a pretty successful campaign, and these singers, these artists who Asher Laub, we're hoping for Asher Laub to collaborate with, we're going to copy this sequence. And instead of saying copy, let's just say 2, because this will be the second sequence. Make sure you put it in the same folder. And there you go. Now I'll close this, open this, and see what it's got. It's got the identical emails. And all you have to do is add recipients. You have to add the new recipients to here. Make sure they're on the right list. So, you just go to, I showed you in the beginning of the email of this tutorial. You can also do it via contact. Well, don't do via contact list unless they're already uploaded. You could select from like the Smartfluence shout out for collab Asher list. You select the fields you want to import, and import selected fields, and then you'll see a whole list of emails that were already in that group. You do not want to import these because they were already used, I believe. These people are in what category? These are, let's see. This is all the information on each of these people, and these are estimated prices, all collected from smartfluence.io. Audience credibility. That's important information. Followers, this You know, Justin has 33,000 followers, 10,000 for Kindeling, that kind of stuff. This is their name, that's their email. Alright, I'll just show you an example. So if I were to import them to stage 1, then you click confirm and activate, but don't do that, just save and close. And that's all you're going to do. That's how you set it all up. And you can look inside the campaign by clicking that, and you can go to the stages, make sure they're all set up. Each of these emails are set up. 1, 2, 3, just like our first campaign. Again, we're in 2, Singer collab with Asher, which is the second campaign. We just copied and pasted it. Go to recipients, make sure they're different recipients than the ones, nobody was actually added here, than the ones who were, let's see, all recipients, no, they were not added. We would add them in another area. And make sure that they're different from the first campaign. And you can select these people and go to next stages. My bad, you should activate recipients. You're missing data from your recipients. Send for recipients with missing data, empty variables will be removed. Let me fix it. Alright, so don't send it.